Good morning to everyone, and today we are going to discuss about basics of accountancy and accounting cycle. So, in this series, what we are trying to do is to understand very basic things of accountancy, so that the student or non-finance executives who can understand the basic terminologies, how the accountancy operates, all these things which we are going to explain. The objective of this video is to explain the fundamentals of accounting, and we are very explaining the basic understanding of accountancy, right? So the aspirants or the students who are looking at this video, please keep in mind we are targeting or the viewers those who are not having accounting background, right? This will help us to understand. So let's understand the accounting. Accounting means generating financial information. That is a basic understanding. Generating financial information, right? We have various ways to generate financial information and use this financial information for decision making. So there are two objective here accounting. One is generating financial information. The second one is use this financial information. How to generate? First you need to record. Record means all the line items which related to businesses has to be recorded. That we call it as recording. And then we need to classify the classification of all the line items like purchase, sales, discounts, all these things. That the classifications of accounting. Then we need to summarize. Whatever we have classified, we need to summarize and then put it in a right format. That is called summarizing. The next one is we need to analyze, because just recording, just classifying and then summarizing, it will not help, because this all can be done with the use of computer. Now, where our intervention is required, you have a set of data, the accounting information or a financial information or a data. How do we analyze, how do we interpret, and how do we use this data for financial decisions or a business decisions? So collecting data, record it, classifying, summarizing, all this can be done using computer. But analyzing and interpreting, we need certain skill set to understand this data, analyze this data, interpret this data, and take a decisions, right? And finally, we need to communicate to all the stakeholders of the businesses, right? So we will go one step down. How these transaction to be identified? What are all the steps which is involved? Identification of transaction which leads to accounting, and then analyzing, interpretation and communication which will happen. So the input which comes from the businesses, either it may be sales, either it may be purchases, we need to record all this transaction in the book of accounting. That we call it as a journal. Recording of transaction in the book of accounts, that is called journal. It is a original entry. Journal is nothing but original entry. Whatever we have recorded in the journal should be transferred to ledger, right? That is, we call it as a posting. Transferring the entry from book of accounts from a journal to a ledger is called posting, right? From the ledger, we can prepare trial balance. Trial balance is nothing but before preparing the financial statement, we list out all the debit balances and credit balances to check the arithmetical accuracy, right? The trial balance will be prepared before we prepare financial statement. So, to recap or summarize accounting cycle, first we need to record transaction, that is step 1. Step 2 is ledger, that is posting from journal. Step 3 is trial balance. Step 4 is financial statement, preparation of financial statement. Whatever the outcome of accounting cycle, that is what financial statement should be communicated to all the stakeholder. Those stakeholder can be internal or can be external. Who can be the internal users? Board of directors, partners, managers, officers, executives. And the external users are investors, lenders, government agencies and the customers. So the procedure for accounting is, the first step is recording, second step is classifying, third step is preparing the trial balance, fourth step is preparing the financial statements. Once you prepare the financial statement, you should analyze this financial statement using various techniques like a cash flow, fund flow or ratio analysis, etc. Right? Whatever the decisions which we are taken out of this financial statement should be communicated along with the financial statement to internal and external users for their understanding and for their information. Okay, let's have a clear understanding how the accounting cycle moves on. First one is a opening entry, that is called transaction, that moves to journal. All recording of the transaction is called journal. And then we move to posting. Posting means transferring the entries from journal to ledger is called posting. And then we prepare trial balance. Trial balance is nothing but preparing a balance sheet, preparing a sheet which contains all the debit balances and the credit balances to check the arithmetical accuracy. Whatever the trial balances, we should prepare financial statement. So from the trial balance, we prepare financial statement. Financial statement means P&L, balance sheet. Right? If it is a manufacturing organization, we prepare trading and P&L account. Right? Once that is prepared, then we will have P&L and balance sheet. Then it goes for analyzing the data. Right? So this is very basic in nature. The people or the student who are starting up the understanding the financial statement or understanding the finance of the company, one should understand how the accounting flow is there in the particular company. Right? It's not only on a particular company. This will be the very basic nature is to be followed in any organizations. The first step is recording. Second step is classifying. Third one is summarizing. Fourth one is interpreting. Fifth one is analyzing and communicating to the all the stakeholders. Right? So we will see one by one how the accounting flow is there. So currently we have discussed about the basics of accountancy and accounting cycle and accounting procedures, right? Probably in the next video we will talk about what is meant by accounts and various type of accounts, and then how the golden rules are applied for those accounts, right? Thank you so much, right?